Hello, this is James Burns from Endoscopy Support Services. Today I'd like to show you the VHP-1315 endoscopy system with the GU170. This is our small animal package. This scope is also used in upper airway equine endoscopy. The scope is a 7.9 millimeter diameter. It's got a 150 centimeter working length and a 2.8 millimeter channel. The scope has air, water, suction capabilities, four-way articulation. You have image capture, video recording directly on the endoscope. So I'm going to go ahead and start a case real quick. What we'll do is we'll put in our patient demographic information here, and we hit save and start procedure, and this will create our database entry where we're going to store our data. So now on the endoscope, if I just hit this button a couple times, I'm going to take some quick photos and record a video. Our system has the capability to continue taking stills while it's recording video. So now I'm going to stop it. After I'm done, a little icon will appear that the video has been recorded. After the procedure is completed, I can hit stop, and if I'm done, I just hit exit and send to PACS, and that will then send those images and videos to our PACS if you have our DICOM enabled package. If not, your images and video will be stored in JPEG and in MPEG video directly on the unit that you can then transfer to a flash drive or over a network or by email. The unit has a pump for the air-water function. You control that here on the front. There's a little LED, and then the same with the lamp. The power to turn the lamp on and off is on the LED panel here. The scope has a secure hanger, so you can drop the scope down inside of the hanger, rotate it, and then lock it into position. And I'm going to take my scope here and stick it in my little patient for security here at the conference. All right. The cart is designed specifically for the VHP unit. When you're working inside a hospital, you can use it on the cart. If you're going ambulatory, you would use it with the little cases that we have on the bottom. The main unit goes in here. The keyboard, the mouse, the cables, and the stuff you do not need to use when doing a procedure are stored separately. This way, when you're traveling and going into a barn, all you need is this one case for your VHP unit and one case for your endoscope. So, now, when you're taking this out ambulatory in the field, all you need to do is disconnect the power from the back of the unit, and the entire unit just lifts right off the cart. The unit's about 20 pounds, and it has batteries inside of it, and it'll run for about 4 hours with no power. So when you go out to the barn, if it's fully charged, you can just take the scope, plug it right in, and scope without having to plug the whole system in. For more information about this and any of our other products, please give us a call at 1-800-DVM-ENDO or check us out online at www.endoscopy.com. As well as sales, we also provide full service for all of this equipment. We offer service contracts, payment plans, and all the accessories necessary to run through the endoscope, as well as the service department to fully meet all your service requirement needs. Again, for more information, hit us up at www.endoscopy.com or 1-800-DVM-ENDO. Thank you.